Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a new project on surveillance videos. What's happening is nothing but, okay, in winter season and in raining season, we'll see there's a problem with the traffic. Okay, while the fog is there or when the rain is there, we cannot see 100 meters or 200 meters ahead while driving. So it may create some problem and the accidents may occur. So what is the concept of the project is nothing but through surveillance videos, we are trying to remove the rain and snow, okay, from the videos. That's the concept of the project using the deep learning and some machine learning techniques. Let's get started with the project. You can see this is the landing page of the project and we have got some user here. Let's go to user and I will try to register a new user. Let's provide the details. Full name, it says, next email ID and contact number, city, profile picture we need to upload, password. Let's submit these details. Registration completed successfully. Now let's go to login and try to perform login into the application. Login is successfully. And this is the dashboard. Now we can see here there is an option, upload media. Let's go to upload media where we need to upload the CCTV footage image here. We have got the data set of both rain and fog in our project folder. Let me choose the image file from the folder. You can see this is the project folder in which we are having data set. Let's go to data set and we can see some images here. Let me upload random image. Fog 9 is there. You can see the preview of this image. Let's try to convert this, and this conversion will remove the complete fog from this image. You can see how our algorithm is working very perfectly. This is the, okay, original image which we have uploaded, and this is the output which we have got. You can see the difference between these two images. Okay, a lot of difference is there. There is no fog, in fact, in this image. So that was the output we have got. Let's try one more time. Go to upload media, choose the file. Now I will select rain. So let me select this one randomly and try to, you can see the preview of the image. Let's convert this. And we have got the output here. See the difference. Okay. If you want, you can download the image. This is the converted image. Okay. Now let's go to profile and check what's the profile. And here we have given these details at the time of registration. Okay. If you want, you can change the password here. Okay, by providing the details, old password and new password. And we have got here some information updates if you want to change here something, and you can submit the data will be updated into the database. So that's all for now. This was the complete project. Hope you have understood it very clearly. Still, if you have any issues regarding the explanation or execution, or if you want any kind of enhancement in this project, or if you want to add something new in this project, that is also possible. Let me know. My number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well directly. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.